Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we'll be covering an interesting topic, the Byzantine Empire, its history, and how contemporary Greeks feel about reviving this long-gone monarchy according to the survey we did in Greece. Stay tuned as we explore these intriguing connections between the past and present, the East and West, and tradition and modernity. So let's get started. Centered in the heart of Constantinople, which is modern-day Istanbul, and spanning across Asia Minor, the Byzantine Empire was a beacon of classical civilization for nearly 1,000 years after the collapse of the Western Roman Empire. Here the emperor wielded supreme power, the central government remained remarkably stable, and church and state worked more as allies than adversaries. This empire blessed the world with magnificent artwork and architectural marvels, and preserved the gems of Greek literature and knowledge for future generations. The Byzantine Empire's tale is a saga, intricately woven with the personalities of influential individuals, the emperors who ascended to throne by peace or by force, formidable women who either swayed emperors or possessed power of their own, and generals who commanded armies to prevent invasions. Byzantium was an agrarian society, a thriving global trade hub, and a stronghold of the Eastern Church. Its landscape was dotted with merchants, sailors, monks, nuns, farmers, artisans, and traders. The Ottoman threat began to cast a shadow over Europe in the mid-14th century, seizing the Balkans after the Battle of Kosovo in 1389. The Byzantine Empire was gradually surrounded, yet Constantinople, with its formidable position in robust walls, proved resilient. Despite a siege in 1394, the city held on with the aid of Venetians and Genoese, while the other European nations who claimed the willingness to help stood by idly. In a twist of fate, Mongols, in an assault against the Ottomans in 1402, captured Sultan Bayezid. The resultant chaos gave Byzantium a brief reprieve from Ottoman aggression. However, amidst a decade-long Ottoman civil war, the Byzantines and European forces squandered the opportunity to form an alliance that could have expelled the Ottomans from Europe. By 1453, Mehmed II, the new Ottoman Sultan, had successfully laid siege to Constantinople. Employing formidable cannons, he breached the city's robust defenses after 2 grueling months on May 29, 1453. The Ottomans subsequently ransacked the city, and its inhabitants were forced to seek sanctuary in Hagia Sophia. When the sanctuary's doors finally gave way, a massacre ensued. In the aftermath, the surviving Byzantines were sold into slavery. Byzantine churches morphed into mosques, and beautiful mosaics and frescoes were obscured. The last emperor, fittingly named Constantine like the first, disappeared amongst the fallen soldiers, never to be found. With its people vanquished and dispersed, the Byzantine Empire was tragically extinguished. Fast forward to present day. Greece, having gained independence from Ottomans, transitioned from a kingdom to a republic. Ironically, last Greek king was also named Constantine. However, Constantinople remained in Turkish possession. But it begs the question, do modern Greeks long for a revival of the Byzantine Empire? According to our survey conducted in June 2023, it appears that answer is resounding no. Over 51% flatly refused, while almost 23% objected to the concept of monarchy altogether. Just under 20% embraced the idea, and a small 5.85% remained unsure. What do you think? Is there room for a Byzantine Renaissance in the 21st century? Let me know down in comment section and check out one of these videos. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next one.